Card 44. For this problem, you need to know how to raise a fraction to an exponent. So how to square a fraction, how to cube a fraction, any of the above. Whatever exponent you want to raise a fraction to, we're going to discuss that. And I'm going to show you the two ways that we can handle something like this problem. So let's get started. We have -3/2 cubed, and we want to solve this. So there's really a couple ways we can deal with this when we have a fraction raised to an exponent. The first thing you should know is that when you have a fraction raised to an exponent, it's the same as raising each top and bottom to an exponent. So this is the same as -3 cubed over 2 cubed. And remember that cubed means to multiply by itself that many times, so to multiply by itself 3 times. So this is the same as -3 times -3 times -3 over 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so this is one way to solve it, and we can now start reducing. So remember there's negatives, it gets a little confusing, that's why I like to write everything out. So -3 times -3 is +9 times -3 will equal -27. On the bottom we have 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. So that's our answer, -27 over 8. Because that doesn't reduce anymore, that's our answer. Another way you can look at this, if you don't want to split up the -3 cubed and the 2 cubed, is you can look at it like this. -3 over 2 times -3 over 2 times -3 over 2. So you're multiplying the whole thing by itself 3 times, which again I'm going to show you is the same thing, because when you multiply fractions, you multiply straight across. So we are going to get -3 times -3 times -3 over 2 times 2 times 2. And if you look up here, you'll see that that is the exact same thing. So whether you write it out as a fraction multiplied by itself that many times, or whether you just take the exponent to both the top and bottom, you will get to the same place and you'll solve in the same way.